are we ready?
Yes, yes.
Okay, here we
yes.
go, your rapid fire.
Perfect.
So, Ruby ma'am, contemporary or classic?
Classic.
So, what about you?
Classic.
Classic.
Yeah.
Okay, same
Yeah.
there. Okay, next one. Minimalistic or eclectic?
Minimalistic.
What about you, sir?
Eclectic.
Eclectic?
Yeah,
See, it's different there. Has to be
Yeah,
different.
yes, we have to give.
Yeah.
Okay. Work from home or go to office?
Go to office.
Go to
I
office?
love my office.
Okay.
Yeah.
What about
Go to office.
Go to office.
I don't want to work in home.
Ah,
Less work only.
less work. Sustainability or durability?
Durability.
Durability.
Yes.
So
Durability.
Durability.
We are
Okay.
known for it.
Okay, yes, that's true. Okay. Favorite work of architecture in your city and why?
Work in my city. Yes, because as I told you, we are creative and we want to create. So here we get good manpower and good people around us. So good craftsmen, good artists. That's why.
Okay.
And I can do my best
Okay.
with that.
Any particular building or work of architecture in Delhi that you personally really like?
I like Leela.
Oh, the Leela Hotel. Oh, yes, that's
Delhi, yes.
beautiful.
Beautifully designed.
Beautifully
Of
designed.
my taste.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. Now we know your taste. What about you, sir?
We are doing different type of buildings. We have done 107. Their sales office
Acha, okay.
in different way. So I like that building also.
You like that?
Yeah, that is in NCR. you
He
can
like his
say.
building.
He likes it very
Yes, of course.
Of course.
One day I was passing from there. मैंने कहा इस रूबी को बोला मैं कहा ये बड़ी अच्छी बिल्डिंग लग रही है कह रहे हमने तो बनाई है
Oh gosh. But see, you should be like that. That you should love your own work.
Work, yeah.
First.
because we have given green wall on the walls outer side
Oh.
of the building green building
Total
with
building
different
is
style
very-
of
yes.
lighting
Hmm.
and the fascia of the building
Okay, lovely.
that they will break after you can say three years
Hmm.
but we have created the masterpiece.
I'm gonna
There.
check that out. I
Okay.
will go and see it. Now I
Okay,
really
okay.
want to see
I'll
it.
take you around.
Absolutely, that'll be great.
107
I like that.
and one is 1Y 1YF.
Yes.
Two buildings we have done.
One by one.
Sales
I
office.
yes.
Okay, okay.
That
And
is
these
yes.
are NCR only.
Yeah,
Yes.
Noida.
Okay,
Noida,
Noida.
yes.
Lovely, lovely. Okay. Ma'am, favorite material or favorite concept to work with?
Classical.
Yes.
Classical.
No,
And favorite
no,
material?
no, I
Neoclassic.
like combination.
Combination neoclassical.
Neoclassic.
Neoclassical.
Yes.
Favorite material is
And
metal.
we love to
Metal.
play with the material.
Metal.
Metal.
The latest designing
Okay,
and the new marble series we are getting now
okay, okay.
in that.
Okay,
A
fine.
lot of new veneers also.
And if you had to make a choice between stone or marble,
We will prefer marble.
prefer marble over
Yeah.
any other.
That will give us the
Yes.
finished product.
Okay.
Stone may you have to use rough or something like that.
Hmm.
The quality of marble is higher than the stone.
Okay.
That
Okay.
is durable, long lasting. That's why we prefer marble.
Okay. Okay. Now I have a tricky question. Harsharan ji, if there was a design issue at some project, will it be the client call or ma'am's call?
Both call.
Both call.
Yes, I will hear client also.
Okay.
Then hear Ruby's also.
Okay. All
Yeah, I will
right.
sit with the client.
Huh.
These are my proposals.
Nice
You can say my
answer.
side.
Huh.
This
Wise
is from my
answer.
side.
He's that answered it very wisely.
Then this is from our side.
This is true.
Yeah.
True.
And what happens when both of you are at loggerheads at something? You think something of an issue, but you think something else. How do you arrive at a किसकी ज्यादा मानी जाती है बात?
बात उसकी मानी जाती है जिसकी ज्यादा प्रैक्टिकल होती है.
हाँ. Oh, that's very
Not like
wise.
that कि भाई कुछ भी मान ले ऐसा
हाँ.
नहीं है जो
We have
प्रैक्टिकल है.
my younger brother, my daughter will put the drawings.
हाँ.
Now you decide
Right.
who is the best.
Okay. Lovely. Lovely.
They are judges.
Very
ठीक है ना,
nice.
we are a common.
Yeah.
We
You
are
are a
working.
family. हाँ.
Yeah, family.
Yes.
तो वही है कि बैठो यार इसमें ये अच्छा लगता है तो we'll
हाँ.
go for this.
हाँ. Okay. Lovely. I had such a good time in interviewing both of you.